everybody. Walt, Driftfoot Racing. Got us a new something or other. This little diesel engine we bought. Came from China. It's a Swan. Yeah. Swan. JC Swan, da. So anyways, let's open it up and see what it's about. Okay. Top parts too. Oh dear. Okay. Got a box of accessories. Let's see what's in the accessories. Got the crank handle, some little wrench. Oh, the starter wrench. And some kind of plug and some nice, let's see here. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to get a translator for this one. It's all in Chinese. So, set that down there. Ah, look at this. Now, I was under the understanding that this awesome pulley was not coming with it, but it seems that it did. Of course, it's been banging around inside the package and denting things up for a few thousand miles. But I don't know if we could, yeah. So, we'll show you what this is for in a minute here. All right, let's see if we can lift this thing out. Did I do it with one finger? Let's see here. It appears I can. Okay, well, what got us here is, I believe it's a 3 horsepower, single cylinder, air-cooled diesel engine. That pulley you saw bolts on to here for the output. It doesn't have a all-the-time output shaft. You can bolt different output shafts on to get, for different things. And the engine itself starts, it doesn't have a pull recoil starter. It has a hand crank, and the hand crank goes into this hole right here. And then you do the compression release, which I believe is up here, and you can crank this thing over and start it up. So, the reason we purchased it is we're going to put it on something, maybe a mini bike or a go-kart or something like that, something powered. But let's take a look and see how much is dented up and dinged up. It's an X165F Swan Power. So let's see here. It really is actually smaller than I envisioned it physically. From the pictures I've seen on the internet, we purchased this off of eBay. Got a couple dents here from the pulley being in the box rattling around. Got a dent up in the top here in the fuel tank. But yeah, a lot smaller than I thought. I think it weighs about 60 pounds. So it's not a lightweight thing. This is all cast iron. But we're gonna put some fuel in it here shortly. And fire it up, as they say. And make some injection up top there. Yeah, make some diesel rattle and smoke. And my plan is to try to run this thing on some veggie oil diesel mixtures. See if we can get it to work with some different mixtures of fuel. See how it'll run. Most of this Chinese stuff from my looking at things on the internet is a lot of these engines are designed to run in agricultural type arrangements or running a generator or a water pump, and they're pretty primitive setups when they're running. So they run them probably in all kinds of fuel. They probably don't have the low sulfur fuel as we use here in the U.S. So let's see here. See what that. I doubt it's going to have any oil, but we'll have to add oil. No worries, we got oil. So give us a couple minutes here. We'll get some oil in it and some fuel, and we'll fire it up. See you. All right. Yeah, it's like.
an endurance test.
What kind of mileage it gets? Mileage, so to speak. How long do you get on that mini bike?
You think it's spinning so slow versus.
I want to crack this open and turn it over and get the plug leaking out. Fire it up.
Bottom out like this. No, I'm good. I mean, it looks like it's in line. Shut off. Try it. I'm saying it might be the thing that does all the way down, it's shutting the fuel off. Too slow, as they say. Well, the fuel line filled up now, so. Really rough.
Some rough castings there. We might have to give it a little the high perf treatment here and clean it up a bit, make it feel better about itself.
But it runs.
Let's try it again.
Well, no, I was just saying, go a little full throttle.
Oh, full throttle. Well, that one. So
Yeah, bro, this is stop.
yeah. I'm just seeing how low I can get it to idle.
But the 212 was shaky. Vibration and all that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with a different air cleaner arrangement here. This is kind of rudimentary, as they say. Rudimentary, is that right? Yeah. So, but it runs. It's alive, and for that running, it's really not that hot. No, sure it's hot up in the cylinder, but cool. Start. One more time. I gotta do it this way. Are we still in the?
Yeah, you're still in frame.
Compression release right up here. Compression release. There you go. There's the Swan Power X165F. Maybe 3 horsepower? 2.5, 3 horsepower? Yeah, we'll see. We'll put it on something. Make something rattle down the road with it. Never have to worry about breaking the pull cord or run out of battery power. As long as the casting doesn't break. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So we should all lose that.
Looks like it was made in September of 2015. So, in Jingtangzhou, Changzhou. That's how you say it? I don't know. Something like that. Anyways. Yeah. So, you saw it right here. The first ever.
Yeah.
I couldn't find anywhere else on the internet.
Popped
So
up on eBay one day and disappeared
Yeah.
right when you bought it.
yeah, we got the last one in the
Supposedly.
country. The last one. Forever. Just remember that, forever. Yeah, yeah, until the next container comes in with it. Anyways. Yeah, it's an interesting machine. It definitely needs a little, maybe a little cleaning up on the castings in here, and but aside from that, it runs. So put it on something, have some fun, roll some coal.